In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the node editor to make Blender to recognize the transparency status in PNG images. Here is a transparent text file I've made. Suppose this is a PNG image with a transparent background that needs to be applied on the top of another material in Blender. Turn off the background layer and save this image as a PNG file. Create a plane. If we were to apply the transparent PNG image to a mesh, Blender won't recognize the transparent area. In order for Blender to recognize the transparency settings, we need to add the following nodes and connect them properly. Please match my settings and I'll show you a zoomed-in version of the nodes shortly. Create a UV grid and use that as the background image. Connect the nodes like this. Here are my nodes. If we reverse the color order, the UV grid texture will go into the text image. What if we were to add a transparent image on the top of regular materials without the image texture nodes? Then we need to use the mix shader like this. Please match my settings and I'll show you a zoomed-in version of the nodes shortly. Here are my nodes. This is the end of the PNG transparency tutorial. Thank you for watching.